Now we are going to understand what is ghost, what is Holy Ghost and what is evil ghost. Sooner or later we will find that when evil ghost is working, then we find big majority, their numbers are so big. When numbers are so big of the evil ghost, then all persons who are not realized, who are not knowing the truth, then they develop very wrong concept that this is the crowd, they will win. What all were telling. Kaurava's army was so big, but Pandava's army was very small. How Pandavas will get justice when there was a battlefield? In fact, that was different kind of battlefield. Today I am not going to explain that, but there was battlefield. One side Kauravas, evil persons, other side Pandavas, good persons. The crowd who was supporting evil persons very big, and all the crowd who were supporting the good persons very small in number. Then all persons who are not having self-realized state, they will have confusion. Oh, this is the big crowd, they will win. And all good persons, angelic nature of human being, Pandavas, they will get defeat. In reality, this is not. I want to explain you what is the Holy Ghost, what is the evil ghost. The moment you will understand it, then let us try to support Holy Ghost. Why to support evil ghost? Now how to understand it? This is the way to understand. Let us accept God's power. God's power in the form of ego, in the form of body, in the form of mind, in the form of reasoning power, whatever. In the form of patience, tolerance, whatever you can imagine. That is God's power, and God's power is going towards the senses. And senses are going outward, 10 directions. What are the 10 directions? Let us see me. This is this. For example, this is the east, back side is the west, right side is south, left is north, then up and down, 6, then all corners, 4 corners, 10. Like this 10 direction. Again I am repeating. This is the east, back is the west, right is the south, left side is the north. 4 direction, up and down 6, and all corners 4. It is the 10. Means all 10 senses are radiating God's power outward. Then how much main idea and concept we will have? 10 into 10, 100. This is the 100 evil concepts, 100 evil idea, 100 evil thoughts. This is called the evil ghost. And we are having torturing with the evil ghost. When I see outward, oh, this is good, this is bad, evil ghost is working. Oh, food is there, which is good food I don't like, which is bad food I like. It means evil ghost is working. Then how to cancel their all administration, all their rules, regulation, what they are throwing everywhere in all parts. Now let us see. God's power going to the senses, and we are directing senses towards head and spinal area. This is called the main important point. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi. When the sense power are going towards the 5 main internal center, then we are having Holy Ghost. Then 5 Holy Ghosts we have it. In that 5 Holy Ghosts, what are their name? Dam, Sham, Titiksha, Uparat, Shraddha. Dam means then you will have infinite power of senses. You cannot feel tiredness. Infinite power of action. You cannot feel tiredness. Then power of senses, power of organ of senses. You will have more and more power. You will never feel that tiredness exists. It means now you are charged with the holy vibration, Holy Ghost. And in all condition, Titiksha, in all condition, worst of worst condition, you will hold presence of God. Imagine that if you are alone on this earth, you will never have fear because you are with God. This is known as titiksha. You will feel complete presence of God. Wherever you are walking, whatever you are doing, then and there you will feel presence of God in the form of real knowledge, real power, real peace, real joy, real understanding. And you will never have fear of accident, fear of death, nothing. Death will never approach you. This is called uparat. Then you will develop eternal patience. Then I am having patience infinite. Because when you are having all these powers, patience will be infinite. Patience will be infinite only when you have no fear. When we get fear, we lose patience. Therefore, these 5 great concepts, they are called 5 Holy Ghosts. And what is the Christ consciousness? When all senses are having their direction towards the medulla area, that is the center of intuition, then what you will feel? Only Christ consciousness, Krishna consciousness, nothing else. Now you see, let us have that we are having this also awakened Christ consciousness, Krishna consciousness. Then how many we are having? 1 plus 5, 6. And here 100. Compare 6 to 100. Big number. And these 100 evil forces, they can collect thousands, because all fellows will join them. And what is their fate? Nothing. They can't do anything. And what is their fate? 5 plus 1, 6. They can do anything. Therefore, when Krishna was teaching Kriya Yoga meditation, he explained that within self you will find evil ghost and holy ghost. When you follow me, Arjuna, you will have holy ghost all the time. Victory will be with you. And this is the important point we should remember. Therefore, and how to get all those things, how to get the vibration of the Holy Ghost and Christ consciousness, Krishna consciousness. Do not bother anything. Do not worry anything. Follow the practice. Any problem, follow the practice. I am having tension, follow the practice. I am having pain, follow the practice. I am poor, follow the practice. I am sick, follow the practice. If you are behind Kriya Yoga, then behind you, you will find all things will be there. Infinite power in the legs and arms, in body and ears and nose and heart and kidney. All will be safe. Not only this much, imagine anything which is very important to make you feel that you are great. All will be behind you. You should never think about anything else. This is a very, very important point. Now this is clear. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Please keep on practicing it and use your head to toes to feel each and every part all the time. Then how to feel all the time? When I close my eyes, I feel, then I get nodding stage, I get sleep mode, I get that I am feeling weakness, inactivity, all are very active. We are meditator, we are inactive. Therefore remember, practicing in seclusion, morning, evening together, this is one. Other time, just keep on working in order to feel head to toes in many dimensions. Leg will work for walking, arms will work to help others, eyes and ear and nose. Let all parts should be used maximum to help earth. How to help earth? For example, this is the earth. Make it fit for others. When you are cleaning it, when you are doing it, feel so joy that all will come and sit in very comfortable way. This is the way to help plants, to help all human beings, to help all persons. Therefore, never criticize anyone. Let us promise today again. Never think that anyone is enemy. Never think that anybody will harm you. Just be with the Kriya Yoga meditation practice. You will be fully secured all the time. This is what I want to explain. Let me explain again. God's power is going towards 10 senses. From 10 senses, there are 10 directions. 10 directions, east, west, north, south, up and down, and all 4 corners. then you are going to have minimum 100 concept. This is the evil concept, evil idea, evil thoughts, and it will create a hell. Big numbers. You will find, oh, evil things are big numbers. Now next, God's power is going to the senses. Divert your senses towards head and spinal area. And how to divert it, you should not worry about it. Play the CD and practice. After that you will find, now you are having 5 Holy Ghost in the form of power of senses, power of mind, in the form of even-mindedness, in the form of oneness with God, in the form of eternal patience, in the form of Christ consciousness, Krishna consciousness. There are 6 Holy Ghost, and these 6 are sufficient. This is the important point you should remember. That's all. And never try to think so much, I am practicing incorrect or correct. Because evil ghost will enter. He will say, oh, you are practicing, it may be incorrect. No, just play CD, let it work. And decide that in this life you have to become realized master. You have to walk on this earth among millions, not alone sitting in a room. And it is possible. When you will be just like sun glowing, then sun can convert all human beings into moon. Therefore try to become sun. Radiate infinite power, knowledge, peace everywhere. And this is important demand of the present time.